On this Mori machine with the CELOS CNC, we're gonna see how to diagnose a failure. Let's say I'm gonna reset the machine, and as you see right here, we're gonna have an alarm. Okay, so this means, let's go to details. And as you can see, the unique alarm that we have. If not, you will see little dots that will show you how many alarms you will see. And now we have this, the coil is M7587, that is the alarm. We're gonna open the ladder M7587. Let's edit and change to settings. We're already in settings, and let's go to maintenance settings and replace this area with the machine settings, doing a drag and drop. Let's close edit window, and let's select NC settings, PLC screen, display, auto ladder monitor. Now it's reading the PLC from the CNC unit. And now you'll see that if you go back with the left arrow key or the soft key, you will see the option find and replace. We're gonna find a contact or coil. We said that it's gonna be a coil. We'll hit target to change to coil, and then the coil we said that is M7587. Sorry. So at this point we need to open the keyboard, and M7587, oh sorry, M7587, that was in the another field. And I'm gonna find next and close this pop-up, and we do have these signals. So I'm gonna press reset again, and this is gonna go off and then turn on again according to the conditions. So as you see the timer, there is a delay and timeout. So we are missing, we expect to have this signal in one, and we're missing this signal, W105. So we're gonna move to that signal, and we're gonna find W105.E as a coil, and hit by next, and there you go. The input that we're missing, this is an input, is X4E, and let's close here, and that input is coming from the HPU unit. Let's see the HPU unit. We do have the HPU unit here, and we have an error code E16. This is a DAIKIN unit, so we're gonna have to get the manual, but what I'm gonna do is try to press enter while a few seconds, within 2 seconds, and see if we can reset it. We can't, Okay, this is to select the parameters. Yeah, okay. Okay, we still have the error code, so I'm gonna power cycle the machine. This is a Mori NZX2500 600 CNC. So I'm gonna power cycle the machine and see if we can reset. Thank you.